Hi, my name is Steve Young from Harrow, Ontario. I am today reviewing the Everystage DLX 3-in-1 child care system from Tested in Life by Canadians. The product's amazing, very easy to use, very user-friendly. It's very safe, lots of padded cushions in here. We've been using it for about a month and I've loved it way more than the car seat we had before. It's very easy to get in and out. Easiest part about it, very quick one-click system, comes straight out just like that. Much easier than other car seats we've had with our previous children. Big fan of that. I really don't have any dislikes with the product so far. The cup holders are nice and sturdy. It's very easy to clean. Darker fabric so the water stains and whatnot don't show. So I would definitely recommend this car seat, the Evenflo DLX 3-in-1 car seat, to friends and family. I've already shown all of our family and friends the new seat we got, and they even said that thing looks like the quote-unquote Ferrari of car seats.